Hi everybody, this is the video for Natural Selection, Lesson 1.2. This is the first unit, the first lesson of our new unit. So the first thing I'm going to have you do is write down the definition of a population, and that, can be seen right here. So a population is a group of the same type of organism living in the same area. So you might want to pause the video right now and copy down this definition over to right here. After you do that, I want you to look at this population of dog-faced butterflies, answer these two questions here. So what was one thing that all of these butterflies have in common, and what is different about these butterflies? After you look at the butterfly population, you are going to complete a sim mission. So we're checking out the new simulation for this unit. Our goal is to set up and observe different populations in the natural selection simulation. So you're going to click this link, open it up, and go to Explore Variation, and then you'll complete these missions below. There's not really any questions for you to answer because it's really just prompting you to learn the different tools of the simulation. But one thing I do want you to do is to zoom in on the environment to observe individual organisms. It's not necessary to run or analyze in these missions. And another tip is to turn off all organisms except the one that you are investigating. So we come to the natural selection simulation. We're going to go to Explore Variation mode. Yes, and you can see we can zoom in and we can see the different types of organisms here. So what you're going to be asked to do is come into here. So these thorn palms, they're like the trees. You are going to look at height, change the height along the slider, and then also thorn size. So there's two different kinds of traits that these trees have. To turn off all the other organisms, you can go in like this, turn those off, and then only look at the trees. So when you click on each of these things, it will tell you the name of them. They have like kind of funny names. And then you'll just complete these 4 missions. And after you complete them, you will zoom in to investigate whichever organism you're looking at. And that's it for this lesson.